sa akin yung mga messages ng so, may babasahin ako mga Adel. At kayo doon mga Adel para makita kayo. Babasahin ko yung message ng mga former ISSI staff na naging close kay Ma'am Adel. So, mamaya ko i-review yung pangalan niya. Ito yung sabi niya. I always associate Adele with kindness, the kind that seeks no return. She had giving, open hands that welcome all takers. She had a young library assistant once who was taken seriously and protractedly ill. I witnessed how she took care of her at the hospital like the mother the library assistant did not have. She drew from her own pocket, raised some funds from sympathizers, was with her day and night, hired someone to look after her when she had to work, gave her financial and emotional support. She will never be rich, she used to joke. Money does not stay long in her hands. She would indulge her friends, treat them, give them gifts if she finds herself loaded. I know. I was a recipient of that generosity. I can remember how she treated me to a palm reading session by an upscale manghuhula who charged 500 pesos per session. That was the time 500 pesos was easily a few thousands by today's value standards. She was also generous with her time, her insights, her wisdom. She can make her broad shoulders even broader for a friend to cry on. When she replaced Cecil Morales as Chief Librarian of ISSI, I felt sure she would be a permissive custodian of books. That was a good news for me who was one of the top delinquent borrower of books in the library. Kung minsan hindi nagsosole, madalas makawala ng libro. How wrong I was. Mas mahigpit pa siya kay Cecil at walang friend sa kanya. Minsan makakasama ng loob. Smiley. Basta iba si Adele, iba siya. Mahal ko si Adele. Double smiley. I wish Adele the best in her new Apo stolate work. I am sure much as she loves library work, she would enjoy her new Aposina much more.
I know who.
Correct. Si Ma'am Mirna po. Si Ma'am Mirna po.
One end lang ako, katandaan niyo yan. One end lang ako.
Pero ganyan ang katawan niyo. Isa pang magbibigay ng message kay Ma'am Adele. She occupies a precious place in my memories of UPISSI. She was always generous and kind to me, one of the few people I know who could keep my secrets. Thank you, Adele, for lending me your precious black chemise, which I wore to an important interview in Makati. For listening to my stories as a struggling young professional in the world of work, and for sharing your life with me. I always remember you and Ed with fondness, for how you took me into your home when I needed a place to stay. I am proud of how you have raised my inaanak Camille. May the Lord God bless you with long life and happy times with your grandchildren. Thank you from our hearts, Angie with Rex and our children, Pepe, Noah, Nikki, and Kara. So, sa ISSI, meron po kami hinandang ibibigay kay Ma'am Adele. Ibibigay na natin.
Oh, nag-iiyak ka?
So, meron bang gusto magbigay ng message, na live message? Katulad ni yung kanyang sidekick, kanyang yung sidekick. Ako na lang pala umpisa. Para sumunod kayo lahat. Hindi. Nakasama ko si Ma'am Adele. Matagal na, nasa research pa kami. So, siya pa yung librarian, yung library na doon sa research department. Tapos nakasama ko din si Ma'am Adele doon sa project namin doon sa Sir Def, yung IOM. So magkasama kayo niya sa Antique. Naalala ko yan kung paano niya bulihin yung mga driver sa Antique. Pupunta kami ng Putong. Ganun siya lang gano'n. Putong kami. Pupunta kami ng Putong. Doon siya naalala. So, talagang pagka mainit ang ulo ni Ma'am Adele, talagang mainit talagang ulo. So, doon mamimiss ko si Ma'am Adele. At saka, mamimiss ko yung kanyang parang positive outlook sa buhay. And I wish you well in your retirement. Saka, meron kayong bagong apo. Dalawa yung bagong apo ni... Tatlo na pala. So sabi nga ni Ma'am Mirna, good luck in your apostolate. Sa iyong apostolate. So, Godspeed kay Ma'am Adele. Ayun. So sino pa gusto magbigay ng message para kay Ma'am Adele? Ate Susan. Ayan, yung sidekick ng Ma'am Adele. Acceptance speech.
Talaga ang masipa ko. Hindi ba? Face to face.
Ay, yun na lang ako. Muna ako niligawan ka.
Ano ako, marami akong memories na aalala kay Adele. Una, bilang isang kusina, yan ka. Madalas
Baka ako pa
nag-aaway
unang
kami.
umiyak eh.
Nag-aaway kami. Para lang umiyak. Nag-aaway kami, nagtatampuhan kami, pero at the end of the day, magkabati pa rin. Tapos actually, ako yung mas mahigpit kaysa sa kanya. Parang ang nangyari, kung ano yung gusto ko, sinusunod niya na. Tapos ako na yung, sige, ikaw na yung bahala. Ayun, iniwan ako sa ere. Diba? Iniwan lahat ng trabaho sa akin. Tapos pero marami akong natutunan. Malulungkot ako kasi wala na akong hiraman ng pocketbook. Ano mo, pera? Pera, pagkain. Kahit kapiranggot na lang yung pagkain niya, share na kami. Tapos, pag may kailangan ako, maghahanap yan ng paraan para ibigay na sa akin. Tapos, matagal to. 7 taon to eh. Tapos, si Adele, ang tingin sa kanya ng iba, maldita, pero totoo. Hindi na yung nakikita na yung halata na yun. Maldita, pero napaka-low profile. Matalino, yun talaga as in matalino. Parang ayaw mo liwanag. Meron kang creativity. Uy, hindi ko kailangan yan.
What will you repeat?
Nag-exam yan ng para sa librarian. Habang nag-exam, nakatulog. Pero tapos inintay siya nung proctor ba tawag? Proctor na magising, hindi siya ginising. Pero partida yun, nakapasa siya sa board. Ibig sabihin, dito lahat yun. Tama ka, so wala siya klase. Bilang isang para ko na rin siya nanay. Kasi lahat ng sikreto ko, alam niya. Lahat ng... Siya kasi pag sinabi mong sikreto. Yan ang natutunan ko sa kanya. Kaya ang sikreto, pag sinabi kong secret namin yan, secret lang namin talaga. Ano pa ba?
Tama na!
Dahil pa eh. Bilang isang ina, napakabait na ina. Napakabait sa mga anak, Mary Ann, ano mo yan, di ba? Nagpunta ka sa, library.
Hindi ka malayo.
Ayun, mamimiss ko si Adel sobra. Lalo na yung pag tumawa yan ko, di ba? RJ? Di ba? Doon yung tao ka lang. Oh, yan, mamimiss ko siya sobra ko talagang. Kasi,
Pwede mo sa'yo?
yes.
Yun tinawag mo ng dabro ka.
Hoy, wala kang tinatawag na gano'n, ha?
Sa harap, hindi niya tinatawag.
Oo,
Sa
pagkalikod
likod.
na, ikaw naman, mo. O hindi. Yun. Yun lang. Well, sana andyan ka pa rin kahit na malayo ka na. Tapos,
Ay, hindi pa ako mamamatay.
uy, ito naman ako sinabi eh. Mag-aalaga siya ng ako. Pupunta siya sa Dubai ay Abu Dhabi kasi mag-aalaga siya ng ako niya. Pinili niya yung ako kaysa sa libro. Tama, sige. Yun na lang. Then, sana maging masaya ka sa mga pinili mo, desisyon. I love you.
Uy, nasalita na.
Dapat lang nilang magsalita.
So, bigyan natin yung microphone kay Sir.
Ay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, ay,
Parang wishes niya kay Model.
parang ayaw mo.
Tinitingnan ko kasi yung retrato ni Miss Adele. Ayan. Yan yung transformation.
Ilusyon.
Sabi ng iba, ganun daw talaga si Miss Adele nung pumasok sa ISSI. Tapos kita niyo yung improvement. Seriously. Thank you, Miss Adele. Miss Adele will always be in my heart. For the simple reason na si Miss Adele always strike me every time we have a meeting. Di ba, pag tayo may meeting, si Adele is always the very forward na makikita mo na she will always speak her mind out. So sa tingin ko, totoo siya. What she speaks is actually true. I think ang gagaling talaga sa puso. In fact, sinabihan niya ako, bully daw ako. And I appreciated that kasi yun talaga yung totoo. Kung talagang bully, okay lang sa akin yun. We cannot improve unless we believe in what others are saying and are saying. Diba? So hindi ko naman kasi nakikita lahat. Diba? Yung nakikita natin. And I always appreciated Miss Adele in that respect. Kasi sinasabi niya, she asks questions. And at the same time, sa pagtatanong, nag-iisip tayo, di ba? Bakit ganyan? Bakit ganito? Natutuwa ako kasi sinasabi mo ang totoo. Sinabi mo, nasasaktan ka. Sabi sa akin ni Miss Adele, I appreciated very much na sinabi mo, nasasaktan ka dun sa mga sinasabi ng iba. And I'm very, very grateful kasi sinasabi niya talaga in public and in private. And I'm very, very thankful. I think yun sana ang, hopefully, Miss Adele, yun ang isang alaala na maiiwanan sa atin. Diba? Hindi naman, I hope really with us moving forward sa lahat ng mga kasama ko dito, nakasama natin, hindi lahat ng relationship natin perfect. There is no perfect relationship in this world. And that's the beauty of the relationship. Kung perfect yan, wala. It becomes so boring. A relationship that is perfect is a boring relationship. A relationship that is actually based on trust is a very interesting relationship. Napaka-interesting ng mga relationship natin kasi dito dahil iba-ibang karakter ng mga tao natin. Ngayon ganito, kahapon ganito, bukas iba. And I think that's the kind of changes in the kind of character that we have. Si Miss Adele parang ganun. And I think she's very honest with what she sees and what she believes in. And ako, I truly appreciate those kind of behavior and openness na sana mamultiply natin sa lahat dito sa ISSI. This is very fitting for us. I'm sorry, Ms. Adele, that you're leaving us, but I know that deep in your heart, that kind of decision is a decision na pinag-isipan mo talaga ng gusto. Kasi that's a crossroad, di ba? Ang wish natin sa lahat, especially kay Miss Adele, is you become happy. Di ba? Hindi kasi, this world is a tentative world. Hiram lang ang ating mundo. Whatever we do today is something that will linger in the past but through other means. Di ba? Ganito yung buhay. Life is a changing ball. Today, nandito tayo. Bukas, in a different world. And I think this is very, very fitting for Miss Adele. I know pupunta ka sa Abu Dhabi. Yun, Abu Dhabi is a very interesting place. Marami rin po mga Pilipino doon. Marami rin ibang environment. But I think, nakita ni Miss Adele last year. Ayan, si Miss Adele last year. She has actually, I think, the decision that she's making today is a decision that was made last year. Sabi ni Miss Adele, magpapaalam lang muna ako for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, ha? Yung 2 weeks naging 3 weeks. Yung 3 weeks naging 2 months. Yung 2 months naging almost 3 months. Sabi niya, ano kaya gagawin ko? Maglilib na lang kaya ako? Sabi niya, sumulat ka muna, pag-isipan mo muna. And I think yung proseso na yon, it was not a decision na madali niyang ginawa. Sa tingin ko, pinag-isipan ang gusto. But nonetheless, natutuwa kami kasi yun ang isang napakagandang halimbawa na ang pagdesisyon is not an instant. Hindi naman talaga instantaneous na, sige, ito ang gagawin ko. And I think si Miss Adele pinag-isipan niya. And we're very happy. We're very grateful. By the way, isa yun sa na-admire ko kay Miss Adele. Yung ba palang isang na-admire ko kay Miss Adele is ganito, na napakaganda na sana mayroon tayong mapulot sa kanyang ginawa. Lagi siya nagbo-volunteer na mag-training. Nagtatanong ako kay Miss Joy, bakit mo binigyan ng certificate si Miss Adele dun sa Profit? Eh samantalang, halos 100% yung kanyang attendance. And in fact, si Miss Adele has been attending many of our training programs without expecting na bigyan siya ng certificate. I don't know nga kung bakit hindi siya nakasama dun sa ating Best Staff Development. Of course, ang reason, dahil walang certificate na inisyo. I don't know if it's fair or unfair. Pero sa tingin ko, Miss Adele was there always. Sa Profit, even dun sa Fit Race, dun sa 8 Race, nandun din po siya. Which I think is very, very important for us. Na sana lahat tayo sa ISSI, make it a point to continuously learn. Wala pong ibang makakapag-equalize to everyone. There's nothing that can make us better and make superior than others through education. I think ito po ang equalizer. And nakikita ko kay Miss Adele na na-improve niya na there is no age limit to learning. Lalo na po tayo na nandito sa ISSI. We can never be better. We can never be superior. We can never be a good trainer if we don't continuously learn. In all our interactions with anybody dun sa labas, dito sa loob, napaka-importante po nung ganong pananaw na every interaction nandun po tayo. Last Saturday, kung narinig po nyo, yun yung sa graduation, inibita po ako ni Carl Balita na maging guest dun sa kanyang radyo negosyo. And I was inspired by what Mr. Carl Balita has actually discussed and has invited lahat ng kanyang mga listeners. Ang radyo negosyo ni Carl Balita is actually addressing a certain segment of the society where he intends to help and make them real entrepreneurs. Napakaganda ng kanyang concept. Sabi nga, ang programa nung last Saturday, simple lang yung tanong. Kung ikaw may 1,000, anong negosyo ang pwede mong gawin at kumita? And sa tingin ko, that's the kind of questions that we should be asking and teaching our entrepreneurs. Hindi pwedeng ituturo natin yung natutuhan natin sa libro straight from the book. I think that's the wrong model. Hindi tayo makakapag-create ng mga entrepreneurs. Hindi tayo makakapag-create ng mga tunay na mga negosyante kung actually yung approach natin is an approach that is very similar to what teachers do. Ano bang ginagawa ng mga teachers? Normally, we preach, we don't practice. And again, dito ko i-relate kay Miss Adele kasi yung kanyang mga ganong mga perspective na i-relate din niya. Kaya nakikita ko rin na ito si Mr. Carl Balita, kung you're familiar with Mr. Carl Balita, hopefully in one of our events dito, Miss Inday, we can invite him to really inspire entrepreneurs. Sana ito ang mga maipasok dun sa ating mga training programs like the MC. I think Mr. Carbalita is a good inspiration to people who would like really to become real entrepreneurs. So ganito rin si Miss Adele. Nakikita ko sa kanya na despite ang tingin ng iba, parang hindi siya kasama dun sa normal mode. Pero nakikita mo sa kanya, ang depth ng kanyang perception. I think yun ang importante. Yung lalim ng kanyang pananaw. Kasi napakadaling mag-pretend. In fact, very, very, very clearly, napakadaling mag-pretend. Iba ang pinapakita, iba talaga yung nasa puso. And I think, I have seen in Miss Adele that what you see is what you get. So, Miss Adele, from the bottom of my personal heart, ng aking puso, I really wish you the best. When you go to Abu Dhabi, huwag mong kalimutan na may mga kaibigan ka dito sa ISSI. Maraming
Sir, bago kayo umalis, ipapakita natin yung gift natin kay Mama Adele. Special scrapbook na
puso.
bigay natin kay Mama Adele.
Mga puso.
May mga pictures din dyan.
Ay,
Messages.
naku, ang ganda. Yeah.
Ako, I will take the stage. Maraming.
77, more than 32 years ako dito sa...
More than 32 years ako dito sa ISSI. And I grew. Talagang, this is where I grew. This is where I am maturing. And lahat kayo, may pita. I can't help it really. I am very, very grateful to everyone here. And sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, alam nila, least of all my concern are material things. I always go for psychic reward. Alam niya ng mga taong malapit sa akin, I don't even with a single centavo. Because I feel that money is for spending. So spend it. Kung wala, darating. Pag mayroon, pag iniipit mo, pag napagkakagastusan kang hindi maganda, yung mga ganyan. Kung wala kang pera talaga, mangutang ka. Diba? Makakabayad ka naman, miski pa paano eh. Which I do. That's why, sinasabi ni Susan, ang dapat ng papel ko, kasi sinong utangan ko, pinapautang ako, kasi nagbabayad ako. Pag sinabi ko ngayon, 2 or 3 days before, makakabayad ako. Except sa isang tao, na imiski abutin ako ng 3 taon, babayaran ko pa rin siya. Alam niya kung sino siya. Because I do not eat material things. I do not have muebles, nothing. You can go to my house, I only have a bed, a stove, and a refrigerator. I don't even have a TV, but my radio is important to me and my books. Those are just about the only things I treasure, and my children, and my apo, and the relationships that I have built through the years. I love you.
So,